Hi, I'm Pradeep. I'm from Hubli. I done my BE in Electrical and Electronics Engineering in KL Shushanatro Deshpande Institute of Technology. After my graduation, I joined electrical engineer in Bangalore International Airport. After that, I found my passion about in cybersecurity. I searched in internet. So after the long time, I got a networker soon. Then I done cybersecurity in networker soon. Here I learned CCNA, Linux, and CEH, penetration testing, bug bounty. Here I found good trainers like Ajay sir and Nikun sir. They helped a lot in cybersecurity. They provide communication class before going to the interview. They provide a mock test. They have like an interview preparation class also. I selected in good companies as an SOC analyst. Thank you NH and thank you Ajay sir for supporting us to build my career in cybersecurity. I recommend who are all, interested in to join the networking field and suggest to join a networker soon to build your careers.